Hello everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike, and today we've got that vintage snowman I was telling you about. So let's get into the package and see what we've got in here to do. Righty-ho. Well, okay, this does not look like the background I was supposed to have. Oh, it's up there. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so first impressions, I can see this is open. So yeah, it's got the black background there, so that looks all good to me. And then in here we have the little snowman. So, wow, this looks lovely. Oh, just look at all that red, isn't it? Very Christmassy. Oh, look at this. This is lovely. So let's have a look, and oh my days, look at that. Isn't that cool? Oh right, so it's an actual 25x25. When I order, I don't necessarily go by size. I tend to, if I like the image, then I, just buy it. But wow, yeah, I thought this was a 20x20, but this is gorgeous, isn't it? You've got these lovely sort of minty blue snowflakes going around. And then you've got this lovely white hat with this big sort of trim around the front. And then he's got the world's biggest nose here. I mean, it's just like a carrot's been shoved on it. And he's got two eyes there, a bit of detail with the mouth. And this beautiful scarf that has like little swirl patterns on it. So as you can see, it sort of swirls as it goes down. We've got 22 colours in this, and from looking on the back, it's all lovely and beautiful, so that's good. With Vinted, I always have to check it all over, so stick is perfect. And let's get into this little boat here. We've got our standard boat, as you can see, and then we've got our drills. So as you can see, LM364, and it marries to LM364. So let's take a look at our drills and see what colours we're working with. Lovely jubbly. Okay, so in here we have, okay, cool. So we've got a pink, a black, another black, a grey. We've also got ourselves a reddy colour, and a peachy colour, and a grey. Another sort of light grey there, very light grey here. That gorgeous red, which I assume will be the hat and the scarf. We've got, I don't know what all this white patchiness is, but we've got a light grey and a peachy colour. And we've got ourselves a brown, a very gorgeous red there. What colour is that? 13 is coming up as a 814. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah, sorry about that. Then we've got a pinky colour and another brown, an orangey colour, slightly lighter orange, and a brown, and a red, a grey, a sort of browny colour, and a white. So absolutely lovely. So 22 colours. And I'll just pop that over here for now. But I think Roxanne will like this because she likes snowmen. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. So very happy with that, and I'll click the confirm OK button, and then that just bounces the money across to, because when you buy from Vinted from a seller, it doesn't matter how long you've been selling, it gets ring fenced. Then when I OK it, I press the OK button, and then that money gets shifted over to the seller. So it's sort of like a holding pot, if you like, until we've checked it all over, which I think is good of them to do that. But I cannot be more happier than this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, looking forward to starting this whenever that might be, because I don't really want to start it yet because it's not Christmas time, but I think that's really nice. I really like this, and Liz might like this as well because she loves snowmen. I think the black background is really going to bring up the white as well, and I just love these little mint snowflakes. It's so different than a standard white snowflake, but as you can see, it will eventually look like that. So, oh right, so the actual white bit is actually snow falling on top of the hat, and I just see a little flower there as well. Yeah, this is going to be a stunning painting. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Just tap that notification bell so that you can be kept up to date as and when a video pops up on the channel, and always subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me as a creator and enables us to keep doing what we do in sharing these wonderful projects. So until then, take care, have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one coming up on Monday. Take care, bye bye.